Hello everyone, welcome to Yourpedia Education. So today I am here to discuss with you past paper analysis of BL Electronics. This exam is for fixed tenure posts, right? As you know, BL also taking the exam for fixed tenure basis, right? And that exam is not different from this exam, which notification already released by BL, and here are most of the posts are for electronics. Around 175 posts are there, and if you want to prepare for that one, how to start your preparation, right? Basically, which subject you have given the more importance first, which subject you have to cover, right? If you want to prepare for that one, see, basically first thing, if I come here, you can see that most of the questions are coming from analog electronics, communication system, right? And another one is EMFT. See, basically in this paper EMFT is not asked because in fixed tenure basis exam their requirement are different from this one, right? Sometimes their requirement is more for in the analog domain, they will ask most of the question from analog domain, and if the requirement for there is for communication engineer, then they're more intended toward the communication engineer. If they want the antenna and that field engineer, they will more intended toward the electromagnetic field theory, you can say like that. So you can think that most of the question level is same, right? But you can say that their exam pattern a little bit different from this one, right? But what we are seeing that most of the question from analog and communication are there, network theory is also there, signal system is also there. As you see, 13 question from analog electronics that are easy question, digital electronics question also easy, microprocessor and microcontroller, this is the most important thing for BEL exam, right? You should must be focus on this part, microprocessor and microcontroller. Here there is 7 questions. I will be come with you the complete detailed solution of this paper also in upcoming 2 or 3 days. I will be with you, but here I am discussing about that. Okay, communication system, yeah, it's 17 question. That is a huge amount of questions from means 17 question. What you are thinking? It's a very good amount of questions, you can say, right? Next thing is what? That is circuit theory. Circuit theory also having 7 questions. This is the basic subject, and this subject you should know, right? And first, if you want to prepare, start your preparation, you can start your preparation from the this network theory, circuit theory, and signal and system, right? If you want to prepare for this exam, Yourpedia is already started their dedicated module for that one. From the 1st of November, classes already started. Some of the demo classes are already available on Yourpedia demo channel, so you can watch that, how the classes are going on, what we are teaching there, right? You can watch that videos and you can find that they are relevant or not. If they are relevant, you can join Yourpedia Education, right? And you can join these classes where we will provide a relevant content for BEL. We are not covering that will not come into the BEL exam. BEL exam is not like that you have to cover all of the things. You have to, means you have to cover wide number of things, but not in that much depth like in the GATE exam and other exam. So as already know, the you can say this BEL exam will be come in 2 or 3 months, right? How to prepare for that one, right? You can predict that this exam will be in Jan or Feb, right? So if you want to crack this exam, how to prepare, how to, which subject I am giving more importance, so you will get a better idea from these past papers that this subject has more importance. Yeah, I already recorded the solution, right, for the May exam. You can watch that. That exam is completely theoretical exam. There is no a single numerical is not there. That exam is completely theoretical and conceptual based. If you know the concept, no need to go in the depth where you have to solve the problems and like that. That exam is completely theoretical. Last exam have around 20% of numerical, rest are the theoretical parts, right? So basically what we can predict that this BEL exam is mostly theoretical based, right? And which subject you have to give more importance? That is analog electronics, communication, right? And we can say you can't think that we can leave this leave this part and that part, right? Because BL asks the question from every part, and you have to score at least 80 numbers out of hundreds in technical if you want to secure your place, right? And 20 marks in non-technical part, right? This is the analysis. Let's come back to this. Analog electronics, that is 13 question. Digital electronics having 7 question, that level is low, you can say. Microprocessor, microcontroller, 7 question, that is a huge amount of questions. Communication system is 17 question, that is also a very good number. Circuit theory having 7 questions. Signal system is already having 1 question. But in BL, the you can say the permanent post which he released, signal system having more advantage than this. 1 question is there, but this in this BL exam at least 6 to 7 question you can expect from that one. Control system also 6 to 7 question in that one, but here it is 3 questions only. Power electronics, around 4 questions are there, but in BL mostly 1 questions are there, so you can leave this subject. Power electronics is a wide subject, but not that much wide that you have to prepare for that one, right? But in that case 1 question is there, I think that is P plus, then I, then P N plus, you can say PI N diode. He make that, he is asking that P plus and N plus denote what, that are heavily doped. If you didn't study that subject, you already know that in the electronics EDC part, right? The control system, power electronics, electromagnetic field theory having 1 question, but in BL it is having around the main exam, right? That is a, you can say the permanent post exam having around 5 to 6 questions, 6 to 7 questions. It is having only 1. Microwave engineering having 3 questions. Microwave engineering is also important for BL exam. Yeah, in the main exam is also having 3 questions. In measurement and instrumentation, measurement and instrumentation is a easy subject, you can go for that one. BL also in technical, or you can say that in the permanent post he is also asking 2 or 3 questions from instrumentation. So this is the analysis, and I will come with you in upcoming 2 or 3 days with the detailed solution of this one. So hopefully this information will help you. And again I am saying that if you want to prepare for this BEL exam, you can join Yourpedia. The live classes are going on there, right? That was started from 1st of November. You can join Yourpedia and you can prepare for this BEL exam. Thank you.